Imagine waking up one day and realizing you've been playing the money game all wrong. You work hard, you save a little, but somehow you're still broke. Why? Because most people don't know how to manage their money. And here's the scary truth. Mismanaging your finances is like walking blindfolded on a financial tightrope over a pit of debt. One wrong move, and you're stuck in a cycle of paycheck to paycheck survival. But here's the good news. You can break free. You can take control. And in the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how with the ultimate personal finance management game plan. Stick around because one small change, just one, can be the difference between lifelong struggle and generational wealth. Let's be honest. Most people never learned how to manage money. Schools don't teach it. Parents don't always get it right. And society? It's designed to keep you spending. That's why 64% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Think about that. Most people are one missed paycheck away from disaster. And the worst part? They don't even realize it. They think having a job means financial security. But what happens if that job disappears? What happens when an emergency hits? Quick question. If your car broke down tomorrow, could you fix it without panic checking your bank balance? If you just said, in your head, we've got work to do. The truth is, without a solid financial system in place, you're gambling with your future, and you can't build wealth on shaky ground. So let's fix that. The secret to financial success? It's not just about making money, it's about keeping it, growing it, and using it wisely. Here's the blueprint. Step 1. The 50-30-20 rule. But better forget the outdated 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings rule. If you want to build wealth fast, flip the script. Aim for 40% savings and investments, 40% essentials, and 20% lifestyle. The richer you want to be, the more you need to save and invest. Think of your paycheck like a pizza. The bigger slice you invest, the fatter your future bank account gets. But if you eat the whole thing now, well, future you is just left with crusts. Step 2. The pay yourself first principle. Most people pay their bills, buy stuff, and then try to save whatever's left. That's backward. The wealthy do the opposite. They save and invest first, then spend the rest guilt-free. Automate your savings so you never even see that money. Out of sight, out of temptation. Step 3. Mastering the credit game. Credit can either be your best friend or your worst enemy. Used wisely, it builds wealth. Used recklessly, it buries you in debt. Your credit score is your financial reputation. Treat it like gold. Pay on time. Keep balances low. And never, I repeat, never let a bank profit off your bad habits. Step 4. The 1-month buffer strategy. Want to never stress about bills again? Work towards having a 1-month buffer in your checking account. That way, you're always paying this month's expenses with last month's money. It's like financial time travel. Now, here's where it gets exciting. When you master these money moves, everything changes. No more money stress. No more paycheck panic. Instead, you're building wealth on autopilot. And once you have control, you can do what most people only dream about. Invest in assets, start businesses, travel without checking your bank balance first. This is how financial freedom starts. But you need to take action, because if you don't, nothing changes. And here's something even crazier. What if I told you that saving just $5 a day could unlock millionaire status? Sounds too simple, right? But the math doesn't lie. Click on the next video to see exactly how. On-screen text. Unlock millionaire status. The surprising impact of saving just $5 a day with an arrow pointing to the video.